Most people think credit is just a number, but in 2025, it's your financial identity, and without it, you'll pay more for almost everything. No credit history? That can be worse than bad credit. Lenders, landlords, even employers check it before saying yes.
The good news? Building credit in 2025 is faster than ever if you know the new rules.
Welcome to the perfect blend of AI and finance, your shortcut to smarter money in the age of AI.
Today, I will walk you step by step through building strong credit from scratch in 2025.
So first, what is credit? Simply put, it's your track record of borrowing money and paying it back.
Your credit score ranges from 300 to 850. The higher, the cheaper your loans and better your opportunities.
Lenders use it to set your interest rates. Landlords use it for rent approval. Even employers may check it for jobs.
That means bad credit can cost you thousands over a lifetime, but no credit leaves you invisible.
In 2025, credit isn't just about loans. It's your digital financial fingerprint. So step 1, understand that building credit is no longer optional. It is essential. Even if you don't want debt, you need credit to unlock financial freedom.
Okay, let's move to the new rules of 2025.
Traditionally, your score came from 5 factors: payment history, utilization, age, types of credit, and inquiries.
In 2025, AI-powered credit models also track spending patterns and subscription payments.
Miss a Netflix payment? It could now hurt your credit.
But on the flip side, on-time rent and utility payments can now boost your score instantly.
AI systems want to see consistency, stable income, regular bill payments, and low-risk behavior.
Being boring with money is the new hack to look trustworthy. So don't just focus on credit cards. Every financial move leaves a trace.
Now, how do you actually start building fast?
Option 1, secured credit cards. You deposit $200 to $500, and that becomes your limit.
Use it responsibly, and in 6 months your score begins climbing.
Option 2, become an authorized user on someone else's good account.
Option 3, credit builder loans. Small loans repaid monthly, reported to bureaus.
Always keep utilization under 10%. That means if your limit is $1,000, never spend over $100.
And automate payments. Late fees crush scores instantly.
These simple steps can take you from invisible to excellent within a year.
Let's level up with monitoring tools.
Apps like Experian Boost let you add rent and utilities to instantly raise scores.
AI finance apps now give real-time tips, telling you exactly which card to swipe for max rewards.
Credit Karma and NerdWallet show personalized action plans. Use alerts to catch fraud early. Identity theft can destroy years of progress overnight.
And remember, checking your own score never hurts it.
Monitoring isn't optional anymore. It's a daily habit in 2025.
So let's recap. Understand the basics, play by 2025 rules, build credit fast, and monitor with AI tools.
Building credit isn't a mystery. It's a system anyone can follow.
And once you build it, opportunities open up. lower interest, better jobs, and financial freedom.
We covered credit basics, new 2025 rules, fast-track methods, and AI tools. So whether you're just starting out or rebuilding, now's the time. Credit is power, and 2025 gives you more tools than ever.
What's your biggest credit goal this year? Buying a car, a home, or debt freedom?
Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your plans.
And remember, every small step counts. Credit builds one payment at a time.
Subscribe to The Perfect Blend of AI and Finance. Smarter money moves with AI every week.